Hey, just welcome to episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode, we got this cool here, and here's what these are some hair dryers that you guys can purchase. One of them is a brand new product right here from Dyson, and this one here is the product that I showed you guys before, which is the Laifen Mini. Both of these are like compact size. If you can see the difference of what it looks like, it's almost about the same size. But in terms of the weight and the size, the Laifen one, it is smaller than the Dyson. The Dyson is a little bit bigger when you guys do actually feel it and everything. Texture or the feeling, when you guys do feel it, the Laifen one does feel a little bit more smoother for the touch, depending on how you guys like it. I do like the Laifen one a little bit more. Both of them have the filter option for you guys to take out and clean the filters on there, which is nice. Both have a see-through kind of hole right there, but the Dyson one's all the way through. This one is not see-through like that. Back part design right here, we do have the wind speed and the temperature control. And then for Laifen will be right here, one control here and the speed right here. So 1 and 2, and the temperature control is cold, warm, and hot. Same for the Dyson one here. The cables and everything is kind of similar, but the Dyson one is a little bit more heavier and bulkier than the one right here from Laifen. The accessory head is also a little bit different as well. I don't have the one with me right now, but you guys can pretty much just stick this onto the head when you guys do it for Dyson, just like this. And just use like that, pretty cool. Same for the one that I provided for you guys for Laifen, which I don't have right now with me. And then for the Dyson, they don't actually give you guys a strap to strap it to get back together, so you guys need to buy your own strap. Laifen, they do give you guys a little strap here that you guys can keep it organized, so that's always a plus as well. And yeah, I don't think there's a case for either one of these. Maybe you have to buy separately and whatnot, but that's pretty much everything here for these two units here. What I want to do right now is to plug it in and let's give it a try for both units. So I need to plug this one in right here. So we're gonna try both of them and let's see how it feels. So we're gonna start with the Dyson one here since it is a little bit newer. So there's two different wind speed level on here for the Dyson. There's level 1 and level 2. And then we do have the temperature setting right now on cold with no light on. We have warm, and then we have hot. And it heats up really quickly when you guys do this, so that's pretty cool. But the wind speed, that when you guys do feel it on here, even for the low setting, it's very powerful when you guys do this. If you can see right here, this is on low, and then this would be on high. It's so powerful when you guys do this, which is pretty cool. So it definitely will help you guys cool down pretty quickly or dry your hair pretty quickly. And if you guys can hear for the product, it's actually very quiet as well. And then this is the one that I've been using for whenever I go on my trips from Laifen. So let's turn this on and show you guys what this one looks like and feels like as well. So level 1, level 2, and then the blue light right here means on the cool setting or cold. Press right here, change color to warm, and then this is hot. So when you guys do use the product for this one, you guys can hear how the wind on here is actually pretty quiet as well. When you guys compare both of them, let's try it. It sounds about the same. I can't really tell a huge difference. Maybe the Laifen one might be a little bit louder, but I can't really tell the difference when I do use it. But when you guys do use the wind speed on here for the Laifen one here, let me show you guys what it looks like since we did it on the Dyson one already. So this will be on low, and this will be on high. So very powerful when you guys use that on here, as you can see. So honestly, a lot of these like portable hair dryers are so powerful and so quiet to the point that there's not really a huge difference when you guys actually use it. And the size wise, you can see how it's kind of similar as well. So I think more of it is just like the design, I guess, and also like the branding. If you guys prefer Dyson or Laifen, that's a brand that's not as well known compared to Dyson. That is completely up to you guys. But when I do use it, I can't really tell a huge difference Maybe for girls, they can tell a better, a bigger difference, but they are a portable size, so you guys definitely bring either one of these when you guys travel. I think I still, if I had to pick between both of these here, I think I prefer the Laifen because they have a different color design that is looks a little bit nicer, and also they give you guys a lot of stuff like the strap and everything included part of the hair dryer when you guys do purchase it, which is a lot more convenient, which is nice. So if I'm being honest with you guys, both of these are pretty worth it, and you guys can't really go wrong with either one. But if I'm gonna have to choose between both of these here, I think I have to go with Laifen just because of everything I mentioned, but also on top of that, it's a lot more affordable. Like the price you pay for one of these is the price that you can pay for two of these Dyson. So why not just go for the Laifen one here? That does pretty much exactly the same thing and the same size and everything. If you can see, maybe just different design. And if you guys want something more bougie like Dyson, then go for it. But Laifen does its job just as well as the Dyson one here, if you guys can see. And then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have no one of these, then obviously save your money for something else that you actually do need.